you good? You look like you're a little bit in a bad mood. Look, I know. You want to bite a banana? Eat a banana? Are you in a bad mood? Yummy. He's Duffy's banana. Oh, good boy. He's very handsome. Very handsome. I love my banana. Are you blushing? He gets so happy he blushes. His little cheeks turn pink. Good boy. Do you want another bite of banana? Good job. Oh, you're such a good boy. I love my banana. It's a very good banana. You're so cute. Good job. Okay, another bite. Another bite. There you go. Okay, I'm going to put this down here. Right here. And you can get it whenever you want. Okay, my beautiful king? Good boy. You're a good boy. Good job. There's your egg. Oh, is that your favorite thing in the world? You love a raw egg. Oh, I know. You're mad the bowl's in the way. Just walk around it, buddy. You can do it. He's a good boy. Yes, you can. You're my king. Look at this. Okay. You want to see? Okay, he's a good boy. Here, buddy. You love your egg. Good job. We get very possessive. Are you a good baby? Okay, let's see. Let's give you something and see if you like it. Okay. He's my good boy. You want a piece of orange? You want some orange? Good job. Good boy. Yummy in the tummy. You sound very good. It's very good. Okay, I don't want to interrupt you, but I got something special for you tonight. Okay, sometimes you like it, sometimes not. Oh, he's got a big bite of that going. Thurston, you want an eggshell? Yes. Good boy. That's another favorite of his. Good job. It's really good. Very good. Want another one? Good job. Very good for you. Very good for you. Thank you for helping me. No, stop it. All right. Do you want an eggshell? Good job.